present to you 52 candidates for graduation who, to my knowledge, have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for school year 2025-2026 under the following senior high school tracks. For general academic strand with electives on accountancy, business, and management, 6 males, 8 females, for a total of 14 GAS with electives on ADM. For general academic strand with electives on STEM, 8 males and 10 females, for a total of 18 GAS with electives on STEM. For technical, vocational, and livelihood, home economics strand, for cookery, bread and pastry production, and food and beverages services, 14 males and 2 females, for a total of 16. Home economics strand, cookery, bread and pastry production, food and beverages services. For dressmaking and tailoring, 1 male and 3 females, for a total of 4 students in dress